Hey Dad, it's the 22nd of June. Just giving you an update. This is all the dirt that we've decided to relocate from our property. So what we've done is we've done a few things. So let's go through. What you're going to see is we're going to see that I haven't done the tie-in yet to the sewer, but we're going to tie in that. But you can see now that it's all dug out. And then this is the old drain. It's just a field drain. We're going to abandon that, but we're going to just fill it with rocks so it can still drain. Then what we've done is we've gone through and we've cut the concrete now to chip back so that we can basically step down or slope down the cap that we're going to pour. And then you can see that we've pushed through a trench drain in here. We're going to fill that with a drain, so I needed that to be about 14 inches down. So what we've done there, so going inside is what you can see. We've also done a bit of blue skinning. You can see that we've blue skinned, what we call blue skinned the exterior walls. So we've done the outside vapor barrier, and we've put a few electrical in, and you can see the electrical for lights. No cables yet, but again, just what we call vapor, basically blue skinning. This is to seal the timber from the outside elements and that type of stuff. So let's keep going through, and we'll take you through. It's all right. So down the side, what we've done is we've chipped out all the way, gone down to the it's a cast iron old pipe. Again, it's just a field drain, so we'll keep it as a field drain. There's not going to be much flow coming through this one. This will be the channel. The channel will get put and piped directly into that guy that'll be sat on top with the rebar. And what we've done is you can see that we've put it through a couple conduits. These are communication conduits, and then we've got a water pipe in there that we've put through. So we also grabbed and we found that the old electrical cable that was going, that feeds the garage, it was direct buried, so we pulled through some slack, and you can see that we've pushed that through to the back. So coming through to the back, what we've done is we've gone through and we've dug out the back now. So we've taken it down about 12 inches from the top of the slab. Over here is our level that we're going to take, and we've dropped it down. We're going to put about 4 inches of crush underneath it, and then we've put our enviro mat underneath it to stop roots kind of getting into us, and then we'll put the about 4 inches of crush on top, and the guys will frame and rebar and do everything that we need to do to put the slab in. What we've done on the back side is we've just covered up. Remember that there was a couple of electrical conduits and communication conduits coming through underneath there. That was for us. This is the water pipe. What we're doing is we're doing plumbing the water pipe out to a faucet or to a tap. Basically where that tank is there, that's where I'm going to have an electric pump running out so we can use the tank and all its water supply. We tied in you can see the pink marks there. There's a drain, and again we've done a field drain. It's kind of like a field drain, French drain. What we do is we've dug it out there, went about 3 feet down to a big hole that we dug out, and then we filled it full of rock and full of enviro cloth and that type of stuff to stop it getting plugged up. So let's go inside, have a look. So what you can see on the inside now is, again, we've got the 2 post holes that we saw last time. They're still in place, ready to go. They haven't been filled with crush. We can see that I've now put the bigger loop of cable that we dragged across for the new electrical panel going through, and we've got 2 communications pipes and a poly that runs across to give us some data and comms and that type of stuff across. We've gone and we finished the framing for the garage door. We've still got the temporary wood up there just to hold the door. And what you can see now is again we've sealed and blue skinned. What you will see now is we've got 3 windows, 1, 2, and 3 down the back. What we've done is we've gone and finished the plywood on the outside, and we've gone and put the membrane all the way around, and you can see that we've sealed and blue skinned for the windows kind of coming through. So what we've got to do is you've got to try and stop the water coming down, hitting the window, allow it to go around the window and then continue down if it's going to drip. What we've done is we've done that to seal the window so it doesn't leak and it doesn't get all rotted out. We've also gone through, and what you can kind of see underneath here, we put drip flashing. So basically that covers now that concrete edge all the way down along there. We've also channeled this out to put some rock. Basically it's just some weeping rock down here so that it can flow. Any water that falls off the edge, it can go down and head towards our drain. We've still got to do a little bit here on the soffits and through the eaves to fix that up, but again we've put the new roof on. The new roof, we asked for a 12-inch overhang, so what we've done is they've gone and boxed out for that, and they've put the new plywood on the roof and given us all new drip edging and new tiles. So again, we're down the back, and that's the status. So looking good. Talking to the concrete guys this week, and we're going to be hopefully concreting next week. All right, take care. Thanks for watching.